Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Steven Aldaco. Today we're going to discuss the used van market and why prices of used vans are up 33% year over year. We're going to talk about some ways that you can still find a deal on a new or used van, and then also some ways that you can make a little bit of extra money if you have a van already. If you enjoy van life and hiking content, make sure to give this channel a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel so you can get more content just like this. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So used van prices are absolutely insane right now. The used van market has gone up 33% year over year, and it's the category of vehicle that has increased the most. At the start of the pandemic, when everything was shut down, a lot of people decided to jump into van life and use the extra cash that they were getting from the government to build vans and explore the United States. So during this time, a lot of the used market supply was eaten up by everyone who was jumping into van life. And on top of that, there was a global chip shortage on new vans, causing the prices of used vans to skyrocket and new vans to be marked up by dealers because there was no supply left of vans coming in. As I'm filming this in October of 2021, used van prices are still very, very high, and they expect the global chip shortage to end sometime in the end of mid-2022, maybe all the way up into 2023. So if you're in the market for a new or used van, expect to pay a premium until the global chip shortage is all figured out. So let's say you can't wait for the global chip shortage to end and you need a new or used van now. Here are some ways that you can still find a deal in this crazy market. If you own your car now, chances are the prices of your used car have gone up in value. So be sure to leverage your used car as a trade-in and use that additional value of your used car to put towards a down payment on a new or used van. If you happen to be a Costco member, be sure to take advantage of Costco pricing on used vehicles. They give you invoice pricing plus a little bit of markup, and that's a good way to get a good deal on a brand new van. I found a few websites which still offer used vans under Kelley Blue Book value. One of those websites will be Enterprise Used Truck Sales, so you can search Enterprise's website and you can find some deals on some used vans. In addition to that, you can check out govdeals.com, and this is a government auction website where you can find all sorts of used ambulances, vans, trucks, whatever you're looking for a really steep discount. The catch is that this is an auction, so you're going to have to bid against other users to potentially win your van. And if the van isn't in your local area, you might not have the opportunity to do a pre-inspection of this van, so be very careful when buying from gov.deals. Now, let's say you're lucky enough to have a used van and maybe you're looking to upgrade, or maybe you don't use it as much. You can leverage your used van to make a little bit of extra side cash. Outdoorsy and RV Share are two platforms where you can take your van and rent it out to other people who want to experience van life. So if you have a second vehicle, or you know you won't be using your vehicle for a certain time frame, you can list it on these platforms and you can get a little bit of cash by renting it out to those people who are interested in trying out the van life. Some people are even taking this idea of renting out their vans and creating very successful businesses out of it. So be sure to check out RV Share and Outdoorsy. I'll leave links down below in the description so you can check them out. If you're someone who wants to experience van life but doesn't want the commitment to buying a brand new van, RV Share and Outdoorsy is a great way to get that van life experience without having to commit to buying a brand new or used van. I've used Outdoorsy myself and it was a great experience. You can check out the video here to see what it was like for me in Hawaii renting a van. So this is my speculation on how to navigate this crazy market right now. If you have any tips that helped you buy a new or used van for a good deal in this crazy market, leave them down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can hit our goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of next year. And you guys take care. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.